In this video, I'll unveil 3 remarkable AI tools that can transform your ideas into stunning animation videos in mere seconds. Now, before we dive into the video, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our content. It's worth noting that the tools we'll discuss can be used either on their own or in combination. So let's kick things off with the first tool, Leiapix Converter. Once you're on this tool, hit the sign in option and log in through your Google account. Once you're in, you'll need some images to upload here for animation. You can create these images on Leonardo AI. Consider watching our video for guidance. Now, let's explore your options. For animation length, I recommend choosing the 6-second option for efficiency. Next up is animation style. This section lets you specify the motion you want for your image. I'll go with the perspective style. Leave the other options as they are. Voila, your image now has motion. But hold on. This isn't quite what an animation video should look like, right? No worries, folks. This tool is just for creating the background. We'll add characters to it later. First, download this image by clicking Share, select MP4, and hit Save. Now, on to our next tool, Adobe Animate. Find the link in the description. Once you're there, look for a character that suits your needs. I'll choose this one. Head to the Background tab. We need a transparent background, but if you select transparent, you can't download it. So, click on Custom Color and choose green. You can either record your voice or upload an audio file. In a few seconds, your video will be ready to go. Let's play it. You will find all the links in the description below, and I will see you in the next one. Sounds good, right? Download it by clicking the download option. Next, use any video editing software to remove the green background and combine this video with the motion image we generated. If you want a video editing tutorial on this, drop a comment and I'll bring it up. Now, the next tool is Runway ML. To use this, you'll need images, which you can generate using Leonardo AI. Once you have the images ready, log in using your Google account on the Runway ML website. If it offers a free version, click on that. Select the Image to Video option, upload your generated images, and hit Generate. In seconds, your video will be ready. You can even change the motion of the video. If you notice it's only 4 seconds long, click on the Extend option and it would be extended by 4 seconds. You can do this until the video is 16 seconds long. Combining these 3 tools can help you create fantastic animation videos. Thanks for watching. Drop your favorite tool in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.